Pak Adi kayaknya ketagihan deh sama pindang ikannya Ita Yutis ini, luar biasa.
Jujur gue sama ikan nggak seberapa sih. Cuman begitu makan ikan pandainya Tante Ita, Masya Allah, dasar bener, berkah.
Alhamdulillah, terima kasih ya Pak Adi.
Sama-sama Tante.
Tuh lihat dagingnya lembut banget.
Pisangnya langsung bisa kita.
Iya, pisangnya kita sedikit ya.
Ini yang lekernya ini jujur aja puang. Dan harganya sangat-sangat terjangkau, Mas.
Can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your